Hello my dears, here's Sally, and today it's a meditation about emotions. How to handle yourself when you are totally in a feeling and it's overwhelming you, it's just taking you from one wave to the other and you don't know how to handle this ocean, this spiral and the storm inside of you. So if you feel like this, whatever emotion it is, if it's sadness, if it's like did you fall in love, or there are so many emotions, even if it's fear, just take your time right now. You already started, and get ready. You can lie down, or I invite you also to make it in a seated position today. And try to find the way. Where do you want to put your hands? Maybe they feel good right now on your belly. Maybe on your knees, your heart, maybe your head, because it's like a big mind explosion. What is going on right now there? Then leave your hands on your head. Find the position of your hands and close your eyes. Feel inside. And I invite you to fully embrace, to fully embody your emotion right now. Which emotion is right now the most heaviest, the most one who just takes you from one wave to the other? Go into it and express it with your body. Let your body move. In lying and sitting, wherever you are, move your body and let the whole emotion takes gravity of every cell. Everywhere in your body you feel it. And move. Tiny moves, big moves. It is like a storm. Like a big storm who is full of this feeling. And your body wants to express it in every cell. If you get small and tiny, then go. Get small and tiny. If it's like a big movement, follow your body. Maybe there's a sound coming. Even tears, laughing, everything is okay. Express it. Express your full storm of emotion. Everything takes you. It's your storm. Every cell, every muscle, every thought is feeling it. Dive into your feeling. And when you have fully embodied it, there will a change happen. You will know when it happened. Continue breathing if you're still in the storm. Express the storm. If you already feel you're coming into the center, come into the center of the storm. Here is the change happening. In the middle of the storm, there's your transformation point. When you reach it, you will know. There's no movement, no spiral. There's just silence. Everything becomes still. It's like Bindu, the point of creation where everything goes and comes out again. Breathe in and out and dive into 1 minute silence. Out of the silence, there's a sound rising. It's like a vibration. Where does it come from? Where is it leading you? It can be an idea, a picture you get, any inspiration for your future, or just a sparkle of hope. Inhale and exhale. What is arising out of your silence, out of the center of your body, the center of your storm you're feeling? How deep did you go? And if you got this sparkle, this idea, set your anchor. May it will be in your body. If it's a specific organ or muscle or point, focus on it, feel it. Feel the center inside of you. Ground in there. It can also be your breath. The continuum rhythm of your breath. In and out. Wherever there's your anchor, be aware of it. And now that you know where your anchor is right now, you can slowly start to pull your whole. It is like you're sitting in a ship and you're pulling yourself to your anchor. The anchor is the future, and it's also the present, because you're reaching with full awareness right now. You're giving this anchor more power with every breath. every inhale, and you're pulling your ship to your island, to your dreams, to your reality, which you want to have. No time for doubt, just be focused on your anchor, and to fully anchor your future more, that it can blossom. Take 3 really deep breaths in and out. Take a deep inhale and bring your hands in front of your heart together, Anjali Mudra. You can even do this when you're lying down. Bow your head down, your spine is still long and elongated. And thank yourself for allowing your storm of the feeling. Thank you for your anchor point that you found it. And thank yourself for whatever is there, what you need to be thankful and showing gratitude right now. One more deep smile. And open your eyes.